I'm Puja Sharma of IBS Intelligence. I'm at GFF 2025. With me is Manhar Garegrat from Liminal Custody. He is the country head. How are you liking GFF?
GFF has been very interesting. I think it's one of the largest fintech fests we have in India. So hands down, it's the space where you get to meet pretty much everyone from the fintech payment space. It's been interesting this year. Uh, we're seeing some very interesting folks who are from the traditional finance community, also trying to look at all the developments within the digital asset space. So
So, Manhar, could you walk us through more on what Liminal Custody is doing and what is for upcoming for in the next 2 to 3 years?
There has been a lot of discussion, lot of talk, and one of the biggest subjects of conversation when it comes to digital assets is, price, Bitcoin price, speculation, movements, trading, transactions, swaps, etc., etc. I think that's all great, but for us, we are here to try and build the plumbing and the bottom, like the foundation of this entire industry. So we're at the infrastructure layer, and that is of course very difficult and time consuming. That has a lot of different aspects. You have the security aspect, you have the technology aspect, interoperability aspect, scalability aspect. So we're at liminal custody, we're addressing all of those challenges, and we're trying to build that foundation layer on which all of these new innovations that the payments and the fintechs and the banks of the world are building. We can support them with that foundational layer.
Manhar, how are you leveraging newer technologies? It's all talk of the town. AI, VR is the elephant in the room, so to say.
Absolutely. So see, I think I come from blockchain, right? At one point of time, blockchain was the buzzword, and everybody wanted to, talk about how their projects are using blockchain for whatever purposes. So a lot of times, what tends to happen is you take on these buzzwords and you try to sort of implement them into your solutions. I think the real and the serious players will know that until and unless there's a real problem that's being solved by whether it's blockchain, whether it's AI, whether it's whatever new innovation that's coming in, AR, VR, whatever, unless you're solving a key problem, it doesn't make a lot of sense. So, yes, we do look at AI very closely. We do embrace AI in our day-to-day systems that we use as working professionals. All of us are encouraged to use a lot of AI within the organization. But AI within the product and the solution, we don't see a real use case yet. There are still a lot of bigger problems, more high priority problems to solve. Once we solve those and we have a lot of scale coming in, that's where AI actually can come in and truly address concerns.
Last but not the least, if you could summarize in few points liminal custody's offering as well as target segments.
Sure. So we primarily, built this entire infrastructure from the point of view of the large enterprise or the institution or a large-scale business. We understand all the complexities they face. We understand them very well, whether it is from cybersecurity aspect, compliance aspect, regulatory aspect, operational aspect. They manage digital asset wallets at scale, millions of wallets across hundreds of chains, across thousands of tokens, right? So all of those complexities are what we specialize in solving, and we're looking to just address largely these businesses.
Thank you so much, Manhar, for your insight.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
having me, Pooja. Thank
Thank
you.
you.